nunca hygiene. On am day, yanum, bottle na sachet na as an day. Yalbapia these days in urban ochucha.
Yeah.
But it looks like now that we are drinking from bottle and sachet water, no, Yariba no babani too much.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Hello, beautiful people. My name is DJ Paco Rich, and I'm from Nanda. Ya wa haye bezin komo bi. Or your questioner, I'm out for baby will be said. Eba question I was say a question for the gods. Now, with me to do this discussion, I'm going to say my traba. Ma pepe yina afna bodebo fruit. Mamia senior amateur of plus 89.9 mid-morning host Pepe Binala. Sister Tinane.
Adum nankote now say.
Adum experience here abia. When was the last time you munsu?
Oh, yeah, before you bride.
Where I'm there and na manekita wo bottle water. And the swag you would
on the hydration or my body. It's not my body now fresh. Yeah.
Fresh body.
Yeah.
But mamia see picture be circulate to social media. Dami picture. Na if a picture ya or ye those days man na waton insu. Na bashe na insu ni gu gallon and na at the cap in a way bubiama. Obi o ha cap na ankasan okita. And when I waton insu into the same cup in the whole community with a drink from one cup.
Yeah.
Nanda bashe wo fiancé kran no wo hone ka o pure water no a ede manano no so wa ka opposite side. Meanwhile so bakwaso no reboliking so but still or ka pure water in different side. A lot of people are drinking bottled water.
Yeah.
Onumpon ibinum was specific brands bi a wonom
Imported ones.
Atasa. Ibinum po was no ye glass or bo.
Yeah.
Atase. And the last time I check in, I am paying that I was pure water trunkom. But mammy so be back at and cassis no hygiene. On am day, yanum, bottle na sachet as an encoy day. Yalbapia these days in urban ochucha.
Yeah.
But it looks like now that we are drinking from bottle and sachet water, no, Yariba no babani too much. Those days, Grape, show them the picture again. We did drink from buckets. In what the ice block was atom. And it was the Chima station, I was a south. Then we know they're sick. But this time around, you know, Yanum bottle, but Yaribana does. So what could be the cause of these things?
I want to ask you this, Papa. Alcohol factory how what you should.
Men behind the scenes of factories in fact, it be as a film.
And now I share one can so say
filters
and
if you men whom then conconnect and some
Obowom, but then
yeah,
because or your airtight like BBI covered. I know they will take measures there will be payment now, but then every time a union should be on, how did they do it?
Well, I feel there our bodies now will regulate these people are what produce and they are failing us because once our be certified they one you can produce water 9 and one can as go be a biano was baby mama yato.
Yeah.
And once obi waka ruma wa friends with or returning commerson say in soon why under strictly hygienic condition so why any denyo na yere no. But come to take off it no those days in soon I was a beach man wala when you gani so in soon in hunanywa ihuna se you understand?
Yeah. we are punim.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ne bɛyɛ na wɔde abasankyɛw enyim abasankyɛw abɛ
Abe.
wɔfrɛ binom frɛ no mɛfi bi a
Mefe, yeah. Make and mefe.
na wɔde ahyɛ kula ase na wɔapunim na wɔasa no wɔde nsuo egu mu na blog kakra dam
Ne do.
eduru a ɔbɛyɛ ɔhunam dua mu na obi bɛka do ndɛ yɛn nwe bue yɛ tetaadze but enyibue yi na yɛdze wi o
And an American there, like if you should go back to the factories and then go and see how what you soon naza, you realize that in Zema pure one more wrong.
yeah
Meaning, Crawford where you so where you a of water factories are. Sebi, what one tarika we no show na was sweat nazi. What even be to sunuma? Like ask yourself this question.
sweating
Sweat. It's no cry what publish some of the water companies are 1 year licensed. And so yanum wonsu every time. They are on the market and we are buying it. It's one of the questions is who is failing us at this point? One would they will regulate them zaman. One will fail in. Systems burn over there. If I am producing water, I have to go through it. Them sisters no home. So them zaman over on so be anyone more checking out. Or better that the person will be at the back and then just be doing whatever they have to do. Because then they handle the water is out there. In Susu Yadiba, Paco, Obiano. So the fact that Ibia, oh, you see, Iato, oh, Obabelfina at 7-1. Oh, soon we are though. The next minute the person is buying it. Until I feel there, or your systems in all failing at this point. But me na be an autonusu. And then I'm make a of a day. Like back then, them can ya yanum a drink say my year to 2 good my city also cause another form of a filth in my country no more. On what trasolin wo bunsunegum was the blogger too na no. Around that time when them cholera and them health issues in home. But in the session the crowd they say no we are so nanon na fa won safa rubber ni mu day. It's slimy.
Well, it's true, and I think other Christian Muslim studying there. Seshe, and when Ankasa wa Juma war water producing this like independent small water producing companies now. Training Ankasa pa there was one feminine being ho. Mo yan de nyimpa na hwehwe Juma ye na wasn't out to factory ho. Na sometimes in Ankasan ehwe even in Yama what the transporting so na bobo ya na kasa what the transporting so no move fee
what it's a do what the one you know so do like that's what you do
yeah na in so na kasa so ye di be fie a ye bo hunyanse ekotomangwa ye bo horo ho ye za shimmet sachet water na kasa na ye tete wa na ye za egu fridge inti say bacteria bi won so no ha fridge na kasa we ziba no bibia woman ya saying
bacteria no we could cool it down.
How I say? Inti say I'm for be a reason why I will feel that back in those days, your ways of consuming water nimpo or you healthy action and they are. This could be one of the reasons. Very, very, very strong reason that you share the processor in soon oba. Even the source of water
will use
sensuni free hino. So free hino. Bashana tank bia no hu fi na we bunsu no de bogu polytank me na we twa pure water man
Nancy Muhammad Pako will release some unregistered or unlicensed list of water companies in there or 144
eji
144
eji
insuni yenum and it's on the market 144 listing. Into just imagine senum the munshi now no be yemfa the 5 years 4 years. Just imagine the kind of things you'll be taking.
Yeah. And I don't have say yes to chado do. And you that first na ko bi ni fia. Yeah, ajatum the Ghana Water Company where you like correct company. Inti ya pipe here na yebu. In a bottle mu ya da she fridge na yanum nende. Sauce na ankasa Ghana Water na ankasa but no be complaining there oboy ni sun. Ayako. But ya can't you go quick galam say so because yensuni in our saying what the cyanide in the chemicals na azibia fefrem into odu waterworks na June was the buy a double.
Yeah.
Just to get the clean water for us. Honestly, na no man I something which is
Something which is there.
So I believe that if we really want to get things right, and then you pay focus on your health to do very well, let's check some of these things. Not it's a fun. They were not doing anything special. They was we'll live just simple and
life.
healthy life.
Pako say you cooler.
Yeah, I'm cooler.
Nti what the cooler needs to warm. What you chew before what you subogum every cooler what you subogum what you chew. It chew we are muffin we pun. On apple back hill Jameson and Sana. Then we'll boom soon. If it is pipe power, so if it is streamer, walk out. In the streamer, or ya say no way, streamer, then you crojin. Obu hokra, ma'am, in the Ukomukrum, Bermanisium, Ukomukrum assassin. In soon, in suta, first one so. But second, third one, Nanya so. On what son would do, what the cop part to do. It could fear Bessa Bianum. I think we should look at some of these things. But then what's the additional? There was a research say Ipunusuma it's bad.
Only end. But anyway, minim zeri suya won ho bet e wadwen hwe bia wo so botum that to comment section and yeah chedo. Yen yeze abotugwa mpanyinfo zo said that yen Charlie must step up new game na life is very important. What ya so na your life. Ya crown.
Bye-bye.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Kasia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. He said all the lie.
Power to the rich.